Hi, I'm a carpenter and I have an upcoming project. I need shop drawing and cut list for 4 pieces, 3 dresser drawers and 1 shoe clothing shelf with adjustable shelves. I am used to art drawings and like to learn SketchUp, or better yet, find someone to provide me with the drawings. Is this something I could hire you to do? Okay. He went ahead and also shared the specification of the project and how he as a carpenter makes the cabinets, as well as the tools that he have on the workshop. So again, hello there, welcome to Streamline Millwork Drawings. My name is Joseph and I will be showing you how I collaborated with this client to make this awesome project. So these are the hand drawings that the client provided as inspiration or as the general overview of what he will be making, and he requested for the cutting diagrams and the cut list so that he can build the cabinets a little bit faster. So without wasting any time, I'll just show you the process which we use by starting with 3D modeling. I'll be using my go-to design software when it comes to working, which is SketchUp, to make these cabinets. This was a project of more than one cabinet. It was total of 4 cabinets, but in this video I'll be just showing how I did them with just one example. Stick around. In the end of the video I'll be showing the results that we got. I hope you will like it and you see what we bring to the table to our fellow cabinet makers. This is just a general overview of my relationship as a carpenter to other carpenters and the services that I offer. very end. I said that I will be showing the results. So these are the results for the files, and if you want to know how the project turned out, then this is how the project turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know if I can help you with any project, or give us a like and comment below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.